In front of me is MEIZU M5S, and let me show you how to add a fingerprint on this device. So first of all, reach Settings, then find and select Fingerprint and Security, and here just click on Fingerprint ID. And provide a password, which will be the backup to your fingerprint. It can be from 4 to 6 digits long, and let me go with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then re-enter this password just to confirm, and now it's time to place your fingerprint on the sensor. The sensor is your home button, so that will be quite easy. Let me just lift up the phone and just place the fingerprint on the sensor right here. So just you need to lift it up and then put it on the sensor too. As you can see, here you will be able to observe the progress. And it has been done, so just tap on OK. You can rename your fingerprint if you want to. Click on Done to save it, and that's it. So it has been added. If you would like to add one more, just click on Add Fingerprint. But now, let me show you how it works. You can unlock your device either with this backup pattern, actually password that we set. Okay, that's not the function I wanted to activate. Guys, one more time, just like this. So this is how fingerprint works, and then provide the password if you want to, if you don't have your fingerprint around. So actually, if you borrow your phone to someone, he can use it with this fingerprint, or if it's, for example, not working for some unknown reasons. So this is it. That will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.